we listen, and we judge.
I love it.
You like my new style?
Yes, I do.
Come from being high school sweethearts, you know, all odds against us. Oh my God, if y'all get married, you're not going to make it, you're going to get a divorce.
I think it's going to ask you to enter her email.
Some women, single women, feel like married women may be superior to them.
We don't separate, which we don't. We really don't. But in this case, hey y'all. So I have the windows down. Let me open this everything. I can't hear nothing I'm saying. It's like 66 degrees today, which is crazy because I told y'all, like, next week it's supposed to get so cold to where they're talking like snow and like no school and stuff like that. Now Monday is a holiday, so there's not going to be any school, but they're saying like maybe Tuesday and Wednesday or something not having any school. So yeah, crazy. But anyways, I'm following my husband, so I was trying to pay attention to make sure I was, you know what I'm saying? So, this is the rental car. Milan's right there. But, oh my God, these trucks just drove by and we're on a bridge, and it started, like, shaking. Like, the bridge is shaking, like, don't scare me, don't do it. Girl, I mean, it's not a high bridge, not nothing crazy, not nothing too drastic, just a little, you know what I'm saying, quick little bridge, but, like, please don't do it. Anyways, I'm following Uriah because we're about to go to our bank. We're about to get another business account, so that's where we're going. We're gonna go handle some business real quick at the bank. But yeah, so it's just me, and I'm following Uriah because he's about to do some other business after we leave the bank, and then I'm just gonna come home to the kids. Today's Friday, so I know they super excited to be done because they was, listen, this week, woo, we went through this week on a whim. Like, I can't believe we made it. It was a lot going on. Like, I don't know, I was like super tired this week. Like, it was just a lot. I guess because I've been you know, working more and doing more and like pushing myself more, so I guess that's probably why. But like, ooh, and then the kids just been on 10 and they just been like, always whining, always something going on, always an issue. Oh my goodness. But we made it, baby, we made it. And this rental we have to take back this weekend because we just got the new car. We need to have 2 vehicles that can fit all of us in it. Like, we had one, which was the Maserati, while the van was having issues, and the other 2 cars don't fit us all, like at all. Like, we can't fit in this. One's a 2-seater, one the Camaro, like the back seat is like police skinny back seat. Like, if y'all ever been in the back seat of a cruiser, you know what I mean. Like, your knees is gonna be knocking and buckling, honey. There's no space back there, so definitely could not fit our family of 5. So we needed another car because Uriah works and I deal with the children, and you know what I'm saying, I might need to go grocery shopping, might need to do, like, during the week we just need 2 cars. Where are my manners? OMG. Hey girl, hey, if you're new here, what's up? How you doing? My name's Ning. Welcome to the channel. Okay, you are now officially a Bell Bae. Make sure you subscribe. That's how you make it like real official. You feel what I'm saying? Right now you officially just one of us because you watching and you supporting, honey. But once you hit that subscribe, it gets crazy in these streets. Okay, we love each other around these parts. Like, it's real love over here, and I appreciate you guys for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing, you know, doing what you do best, baby. I appreciate every little thing that you do for me. I don't care if it's free, if it's not, if it whatever, girl. I appreciate y'all because you do not have to be here, okay? Oh, you feel me? But yeah, and hey, you know, I stopped cussing, so I'm just saying little words in replacement of the cuss words. But hey, to all my old Bell Baes, returning Bell Baes, I love y'all down. Y'all already know what it is. That's all, you know, yeah, there's a little, okay. Anyway, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is, family. Love y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all every day of my life. Now, let me get back to driving because I don't have my little stand to hold y'all, and I'm just holding y'all one hand, driving one the other. You sitting
What? They late.
She was like, why she look like that when she was getting out the car? Because she was listening to her tablet. Like, you know, you listen to music and walk around. She ain't never did that.
Is it loud?
The headphones is child headphones, where they have a block to where it can't get too loud to hurt her ears. Milan's so funny, y'all. She took her jacket off, but she has these like teddy bears in her bows that she was like so pressed to wear. So funny.
She looks so aggressive. Like, women just lose it for a minute. Soften up. Look at her face. She's just so overly. How you getting somebody's number? Yeah, but how you getting somebody's number, but you look like
She
her?
not. He came up to her.
I'm saying,
That's why she
it's
looks
just
like
weird.
that. That means go away.
She's giving him the time of day, so it's clearly not true.
No, give him the time of day because men will flip.
So why she give him her number?
Sometimes women just give their numbers.
No.
Men are slow. See? Just a little slow.
What's up, boss man? Call you back when I leave here, alright?
That's good. That's fine.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Well, it was during COVID. When we were at my mom's house.
Who's that? Designer?
Designing, or she was a puppy. Because her London, she's like a year behind London.
And then Marcy, what's your email address?
You can use the one I sent you. Let's see, what was that? thebellsplusthree. It's all written down the words THE. How big they're getting. Let me show them for her. Oh, I know her face.
I think it's going to ask you to enter her email.
Oh, yeah. You put a number on it?
No, I didn't do it yet.
You can put.
Alright, y'all, everything went well. We got our packet, get everybody in the car, and I'm about to head back home. I'm about to figure out what I'm eating, and then I'm about to head back home.
It's because they're red. That's why.
Okay, mind your business.
What?
I said, okay, mind your business.
Bro, I gotta go.
No. Man, they hit me in my head. Love you.
Send the console.
Alright, y'all. Headed home. Get the girls. It's raining again. Not really raining crazy, but it's like drizzling. So
It's not raining.
it's not raining, but it's like
Sunny.
it's not sunny. Girl, you act like you couldn't hear that whole time we was in there, but you could hear me talk about rain. Homegirl a mess. Anyway, headed home. That was really it for today. Those were the errands that we needed to run. I really didn't have much going on today, but we just needed to go get that situated before the bank closed. And yeah, I'm glad that's over. I hate going into the bank like this. It's just annoying. I don't know why, but it's just like, it was hot in there. Like it's just annoying. Okay, especially have a kid. So luckily we only have one today. So yeah, now back into the thick of it, into the jungle with the other one. I was asleep. We're back home now. Hush, hush. Throwing a fit. Come on, go. Go sit down. I had to get your stuff. Yes. What's wrong? What's wrong? Girl. Go, watch out. Come on. Get your shoes off. Let's sit down and pick the kids up. Huh? Your shoes are not going. Go doing the most. She was just sitting there watching her tablet. Just fine.
A few hours later.
Let me see. Stay right there.
Wait, why is it Mimi in the picture?
Mimi's doesn't want to put on princess outfits.
But she could wear her tiara outfit.
She doesn't want to. Look at their outfit. Ignore whatever's on the ground. What is it? Stickers on the ground? Anyways, we'll address that later. But look at them. So cute. Alana, her little wig. Miss Ariel. What you doing?
I'm her unicorn.
Yes.
I'm her fairy. I'm her fairy.
You're what?
I'm fairy. I'm princess.
Princess Fairy?
I'm her fairy. I'm Princess Fairy.
Wow.
But
Princess
I'm
Mermaid.
fairy
And Princess. Let me see his shoes.
My shoes are better.
Wow. She tapping them shoes. And look at her shoes.
Yeah.
Y'all
These
are
are
so...
my shoes.
Yes, I see.
They're actually not her shoes. Those are mine.
Lennon,
It's your
focus.
Christmas.
I know, but focus.
Christmas.
Yes, y'all got this for Christmas. So cute. I love
You
it.
like my new style?
Yes, I
The
do.
way she said it was so crazy. My London style.
London style? You like her style too?
Yeah. The
Yeah.
button matches with my outfit. Mimi's style is crazy.
Is it crazy?
Yeah. Mimi doesn't have a style.
I like your tiara. You're on your head.
That's why. I'm not talking baby sister. That's why. If you want to dress up somebody, you want to do something and play with a kid,
It's your baby
and your
sister.
big sister's like, no.
Yeah.
That's why you have a baby sister.
Exactly.
Baby sister is a
You
good
have two sisters. If one sister, if one sister doesn't want to play dress up, the baby sister will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like my style.
I love your style.
The only thing I can't do is your makeup.
Yeah, I know.
Let me do my makeup. Let me do my makeup.
Ooh.
Okay. It's a weekend, so it's
It
actually
is a
kind of cool.
weekend.
We can do whatever we want.
Mhm. With the wings, girl.
I opened it by myself. Yeah, I opened it. Pinch your lips. There you go. You like my...
I do.
Yeah.
So cute. Hey y'all. So it's probably a little glare in my glasses, but what's up? Okay, so listen, we're on our way right now to San Antonio. It was very unexpected, expected but unexpected. We have a rental, as I told y'all, which is what I'm in right now. And because we just bought the new car, which is why we had the rental, we had to take the rental back. Now, when we got the rental in San Antonio, and they won't allow us to drop it off in Houston. So we have to drive all the way back to San Antonio. And because we already have to drive two cars anyways, and Uriah needs it back by a certain time, I just went ahead of him, and with the kids, obviously I got all the kids in the car with me. But yeah, so I went ahead and I'm about to drop off the car tomorrow, but I went ahead and headed up there tonight, and Uriah has some business to handle, so he's just gonna meet us in San Antonio. So after I drop the car off, he's gonna meet us up there and drive back home from there. But there is a winter storm coming, and I'm like, and when I was telling my mom I was coming up there, because it literally was last minute, I literally called her like an hour before we were to hit the road, and she's like, I already knew you was coming up here because there's a winter storm coming. Y'all always end up here during the winter storm, and it's so funny how that works out. Like legit, like if lights is out, if struggle is amok, I'm hitting the highway to my mom's house. Wait, they're 3 hours away. Like, you think I'm gonna sit and struggle by ourselves in Houston? No, we're going to hit the highway to San Antonio, and struggle with my parents. Like, what? Being the adult, like, it's crazy. Like, what? You know, I just want my mom, I just want my dad. Like, being the adult now, having kids who want me, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy how that works. But yeah, like, oh, in struggle and in time of need, we are on the way. Like, they already know. Set aside pillows and blankets and all that. Like, what? I don't even care where we sleep at. We can sleep on the couch. Honey, we're coming. But yeah, so right now I'm headed there. We're already like halfway there, over halfway there. What, baby? What happened? Can I get here? Can I get what? Your hair? Okay. Get in the house. We're going to Yaya's house. We're almost there. We got an hour and 20 minutes. Yes, we're going to Yaya's house. So yeah, y'all, that's what's going on. Hopefully this storm isn't crazy or nothing like that. Like, it gets a storm down there and then, like, you know, like my husband can't come and we're down there. That's worst case scenario. We're down there longer than expected and he's stuck somewhere else. Like, and I was just telling y'all how we don't separate, which we really don't. But in this case, it just made more sense than to just sit up there when I could just take the rental back and get that done while he handles what he needs to handle, you know? So yeah. I said he was dancing too. Ooh, some guy. I'm glad he is behaved. Yeah, we're at Bargain Depot. See what we can find. Don't touch. Go there. Is this $2 day? $1? Yes. $1 day. Yes. Oh my goodness. Huh?
Ugly.
What is it?
Sweater thing?
For what?
Because you don't.
Oh wow. Why? No.
No? It could be warm.
No.
It could be cozy. Where do you find it? How are they finding things?
It's crazy because this will be $5 like at Walmart. I'm saying.
Think about me every night.
Milan is not having it, y'all. But they got the temper glass. You what?
Yeah.
You dropped.
Yeah.
What did you drop? Oh. Here. She's popping it, but there's so many people. It's $1 a day. So many things everywhere.
Catch me in no short boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, got away to their birthday, took a work.
Yeah, I got my twin with me, you know what the fuck we doing. 20 black Suburbans, where the fuck we go, bitch? 2 lambs, 4 Billy trucks, and 20 Hellcats. Get on with a real nigga now.
When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no short boots, I burnt them out.
Not the waxy wig. Not the bang. Listen. Like, come on. Yeah, they have stuff that they have on TikTok shop in here for $1. Oh, cat. Oh, one of those books. Decoration. Look at this. A whole card piece, just in case you was missing one. For $1. Do y'all remember when we seen this in Target? Girl, it's $1 now. That's crazy. I think it was like $5. Okay, y'all, I put some of this stuff back. I found this, but it's connected to something. Bizarre. It's supposed to be connected to something. I couldn't find the thingy. This would have been so cute for like my iPad. 3 trash cans, a dog, like where they eat, little thing for non-mess, a remote. It's like a faucet thingy. I don't know if I want this or not yet. And then I wanted something for the refrigerator where I can like write on it. So maybe like what's for dinner each day and some notes or whatever. So, and then my mom and her friend went crazy. This is all the stuff you're keeping? Yeah. Did I just drop my phone in here?
Oh, you might not get it down.
Look, I didn't drop my phone in here. I would say that looked like it's gonna get a little crazy there.
You saw me.
Yes. Throw it, Duty. Whoa. Yay! Good job. I win. The end. That's it. Let's go.
That was our first catch.
I won. It's over now. You're done. She said you lost.
I lost.
See, you lost. Exactly. Okay, so these are all the things I got. And then my mom is putting all hers up there. How much you spend? Oh, 38. Hey y'all, so Uriah came and got us. We're in the car as you can see. But we're driving back home because we're trying to beat the storm before it gets bad so we don't get snowed out here. Come on, guys. Oh, I should ask for another cup. There's snow. Yeah, we're back home. And it's snowing. Oh, shit. Go outside. Go. She won't go to the bathroom. Go. Go outside. Go. Javonchi, go outside. It's snowing! Oh, I hope it sticks and they can see it tomorrow because London is so excited. Javonchi, outside. Because he's never seen it. Outside. Go. It's like, what the hell is that? It's snowing! Oh, I can't wait till they see it. You gotta wait. I'm trying to show you the snow. Come here. Look. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at the snow. Wow. You see the snow on there?
Yeah.
Wow. London already
The
peeked.
car snow.
The car snow?
Yeah.
London peeked outside while we was all sleeping. She woke up early. It's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the snow. Oh my goodness. There's snow everywhere.
Look at the road.
I know.
I wanted to just survive.
What's up? So we're home. As you can see, kids are kidding in a rare form, but I wanted to put this disclaimer in here because I just kind of went into all types of different things. Like, this vlog is literally all over the place, and I wanted to kind of like slow it down for y'all so that it can have some type of context, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all know that we went up to San Antonio. I really didn't vlog much because wasn't much happening out there. We really just sat up there for like a day, and then Uriah came and got us, and then we came back down here and we tried to like beat the snowstorm. So once we got here, we did beat the snowstorm. It did start snowing a little bit, but nothing stuck when we first got home. So I did see it was snowing, but I was like, I hope that it sticks so like in the morning when the kids wake up, they could be so excited. Honey, they were ecstatic. Mimi, I caught her reaction on camera. I didn't really catch London's reaction on camera because I was asleep. Homegirl woke up at 7 a.m. okay, and looked out the window and was in my bed like, mommy, it's snowing. Like, girl, okay, we're gonna go. I promise we're gonna go. So we ended up going outside and having a blast, which I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But I did want to kind of like just touch base with y'all for a second because I have a few things to say. I did my hair, but I really wanted it to like fall like how everybody's been doing their hair. So ignore me, but I've just been playing in my hair today. And yes, I am in Christmas PJs because this snow has really made me feel festive. Okay, there's snow all up and through here. Okay, black Santas at that. And I'm just feeling the weather. Just for now though. So Houston Lachey Jones the third, I'm gonna need you to get this snow up out of here by next week. Wrap it up. It was just literally just 80 degrees last week. Like, stop playing with me. Cause you playing on my top. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this. I'm gonna start kind of like changing my content a little bit. Not too crazy, but I feel like that man, my husband, sugar baby daddy, I feel like he needs more praise. I feel like people be playing and really like tiptoeing upon him, and I don't like that, okay? And I feel like maybe it's because y'all don't really see a lot of him because this is my life and I vlog from my point of view, and majority of the time I am momming and I'm doing things and he's there and gets his little cameos and things like that. But I don't feel like I put enough praise on this man. Like, when I say this man works hard as hell, this man wakes up every day to get to that bag. This man makes sure that we are straight, make sure we have everything that we need. He makes sure that like everything is good. If I need anything, I call upon him and he's there immediately and make sure that I'm straight, his kids straight. Like, what? And no praise to a man just for staying and being a dad. But as you guys know, there are plenty of men who skip up out their responsibilities. I was a product of one. You feel what I'm saying? So when I see him dadding and I see him taking care of his business, it's real sexy to me and I love it. And I love it for us. Like, I love that we were able to come from being high school sweethearts, you know, all odds against us. Everyone like, you're not gonna make it, you're not gonna make it. Oh my God, if y'all get married, you're not gonna make it, you're gonna get a divorce. Oh my God, if you have kids, it's gonna be a broken home. Oh my God, y'all too young. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And then from that to now being married for 14 years, being together, I think it's been 19 years or 18 years of us being together. What? Like, we have overcome so much, and it's not to like bash anybody out there, and I really want to make this super duper clear because I think some women, single women, feel like married women may be superior to them or feel like they're superior to them in any way, and I'm telling y'all right now, that's not how I feel at all. I have a plethora of single friends. Majority of my friends are single moms, things like that, so that's not to bash nobody. What happens in y'all lives happens in y'all lives, and what happens in my life happens in my life. And I have ups and downs, trials and tribulations. You already know my marriage has been through it, okay? And I've been very transparent and very normal and real with y'all when it comes to that. So it's not at all me trying to paint a picture, but this is my life and this is what I live. So I'm going to broadcast that. I'm going to show that on my channel. And I am happily married and I want to showcase that. And also, I heard it makes a few people jealous and mad and upset and real angry. I want to really make y'all angry in 2025. I really want to shake the table a little bit, okay? So I'm like, why don't I show more of like, you know, how I feel about my husband? Like, everything that we've been, like, it is a testimony, period. Like, you know what I'm saying? God really got us through the ringer. God really did this for me, and I am blessed, and I really need to speak more about that. Like, this is literally the reality I'm in, like, and this is my reality. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now, it's gonna be a lot more of my husband, okay, the one I be throwing these ankles back for. So that angers you, please click on off this channel. Don't even come back, girl, because I'm telling you right now, it's about to go down, okay? We're gonna have fun over here as married couples do, okay? We're gonna show y'all the real, the raw, but also the cute, the wonderful, the beautifulness. Like, our bond has created these children within our marriage. Like, our bond has created everything that we have around us. Our bond only strengthens and gets stronger through Christ. You feel what I'm saying? So again, if that makes you mad, slide on out, okay? Maybe marital drama, marital bliss is not your thing, and that's fine. Go ahead over yonder, and there's others that do other things that you might like to watch, but I'm not the one for you, okay? And if that makes me boring, this so be it. I love being boring. I love being boring and kept and put together and blessed and having all of the things my way. I love that for me. So not only does it make the haters mad, he also deserves it. So it's not just for that, but I get a little kiki out of that because I really don't understand how a man being there for his family, taking care of business, a couple that's been together for decades, coming up on 2 of them damn things, okay? Like, what? Like, how does that make you angry? But I do see how social media has played itself and how everything is kind of like different when it comes to society. And also, like, people my age, millennials, like, a lot of them don't get married. A lot of them don't hold marriage on a pedestal. Like, a lot of them could care less. And that's your prerogative. We listen and we judge because that's not what I want. That's not what I ever wanted. I always had a plan to have a happy home, a happy family, a happy marriage, and we're really working really hard towards that. And are we happy every day? No! He get on my damn nerves. But that doesn't, I mean, it is what it is. Like, this is my partner. This is my forever partner. This is my soulmate. Like, he's going to irk my life. We're both Geminis. But at the end of the day, I love that man. And he gave me the best gifts ever, which are my children. So, yeah, we're going to talk about it. Praise that man, okay? And we're going to have a good time over here. So, this is a quick little disclaimer for anyone who ain't know, okay? Then ain't put it down. Go ahead and get into this snow day.
Make an angel. Make a snow angel. Oh, goodness. Are you done? No.
I'm getting
Look at me.
What?
Come on. How did your glove come on? Ready?
Smile. Big cheese.
Look at me. Look at me.
Are you throwing at me?
I told you. I told you.
That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You smile when I need Gucci. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch? No yoga mat. Chat. Should they dare that nigga? Don't hit me back. Chat. Should I read that nigga? No questions asked. Chat. They chatting. They chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had lost that thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cash out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me. Bitch, you think like it me. All I want the love live inside there.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I gave you this type of feel, you ain't the constant trip.